In this video, I am going to show you how to add a search bar to your Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our Wix website and today we are going to add a search bar to it. So to do this, go to your Wix website editor and now from the left menu click on add elements, and after that we are going to click on menu and anchor. After that scroll down to the bottom and here we will see Wix site search. Just click on this plus button, add to site, and it will start adding to our website. And as you can see that Wix site search is now added to our website, and now we are going to do its setting. So we are going to select it and then click on settings. After that just click on manage settings. So if you want to hide anything from the search results, then you can do it from here. You can also change the display settings, layout settings and design of your search bar. After that you can place it anywhere on the website. I want to display it on the header, so I will set it up on the header. I will decrease its size. And as you can see that it's added to our header. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.